Hi, everybody. Welcome to part 2 of our science assignment, okay? So we are going to read an article about weathering and erosion, and then I will read the questions for you, the questions about this article, okay? Science assignment, weathering and erosion. Water, wind, and other natural forces cause rocks and earth to wear away. These forces also move bits of rock and earth to new places. You know, when rock moves from place to place, what is that called? This movement changes the shape of the land. These processes are called erosion, right? Erosion, weathering, and deposition. I made a mistake. We're not doing deposition. Erosion is related to weathering, which is a natural process that slowly breaks apart or changes rock. Once the rock is affected by weathering, the process of erosion causes bits of rock and earth to be carried away from their original location. Location is a place. So first, weathering, then erosion. Okay? Dangers of erosion. Dangers means it's not very good, right? Erosion can be very harmful to farmland. Farmland is where we plant things. Plant like potatoes, carrots, oranges, whatever. Crops depend on rich soil. Soil is the dirt we plant in. Crops depend on rich soil for healthy growth. But this top layer of soil is thin. A layer, you know, like a cake has layers? A layer of dirt is very, very thin, right? Wind and flowing water can sweep it away. There's water, there goes the soil. Farmers use several methods to slow down erosion. Several ways. That's what methods mean. They plant trees around farmland to block wind. So if you plant a tree and the wind doesn't get to the farmland, the soil can't go away, right? They also cut terraces or ledges into sloping land. Look at this is a terrace. See this? They cut these grooves in the side of the mountain that they're planting, and that keeps water there, and the water doesn't let the soil go away. Okay. They also cut terraces. These are called terraces. They also cut terraces or ledges into sloping land. Slope means like a mountain going down. Water gathers on the terraces rather than rushing down the slope and carrying away the soil. So the water just sits there, doesn't just go down with the soil. That was your article. Now I'm going to read you your questions. Okay? What is weathering? We just took notes. You should know it in the other video. What is erosion? Also in the other video. What are the causes of weathering and erosion? Hint, look at the notes. I told you what causes it, remember? Remember? Like 3 things, 4 things, I think 4 things. Okay, this is multiple choice. Erosion can hurt farmland because it makes the plants fly away. Wind and water can sweep away the top layer of soil. Ice can freeze the soil. You have to pick one, okay? Last question. Farmers can control erosion by planting trees around farmland to block wind, making a swimming pool near farmland, putting sand around farmland. You have to pick one. They want to control erosion. They want to stop the dirt from going away from their farm. Okay, so how do we submit an assignment? We go to Schoology, we create new submission, remember? And we have to write all of our answers. Remember, you're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me the answers. Type, type, type. Submit. Okay? Thank you, guys. Take care.